At school, we meet different people who help us learn and grow. The teacher leads the class and helps students understand new things. Students attend classes to learn and make friends. The principal is the head of the school and ensures everything runs smoothly. Classmates are friends and fellow students who share the same class and learn together. The key people at school include teachers, students, principals, and classmates. Teachers teach lessons and guide students. Students study and participate in school activities. Principals manage the school and support teachers and students. Classmates are peers in the same class who learn and help each other. A typical classroom has different important areas. The teacher's desk is at the front where the teacher teaches from. Student desks are arranged so all students can see the teacher and the board. The principal's office is usually nearby for easy access. Classmates often work together in groups or pairs in the classroom. In the classroom, students do many activities every day. Reading helps improve vocabulary and understanding. Writing practices spelling and grammar. Listening is important for understanding spoken English. Speaking helps students practice communication. Group work and presentations encourage teamwork and confidence. Exams check what students have learned. Homework helps practice at home. At school, students study different subjects to gain knowledge in many areas. Math helps with numbers and problem solving. English improves reading, writing, and speaking skills. Science teaches about the natural world. History explains events from the past. Geography studies places and environments. Physical education keeps students healthy and active. Art develops creativity. Computer science teaches about technology. Foreign languages help communicate with people worldwide. Music helps with rhythm and hearing skills. The school library is a special place filled with many books and resources. It acts as a resource center where students find books and digital media. The library promotes reading and helps improve literacy skills. It supports academic achievement by providing materials for study. It teaches students how to find and use information. The library gives fair access to all learning materials. It also helps teachers find resources for their lessons. It provides a quiet place where students can study and focus. A school library has many facilities to help students learn better. Bookshelves and racks keep books organized. Reading tables and comfortable chairs provide places to read and study. Computers and internet access allow research and digital learning. Digital libraries and electronic books offer more reading options. Printing, photocopying, and scanning services save time and effort. Quiet study zones give peaceful areas to concentrate. Assistive devices help students with special needs. Audio-visual equipment supports multimedia learning. The school library plays many important roles. It serves as a resource center for books and digital information. It helps develop reading skills and supports learning. The library provides key services such as book lending, reference assistance, and digital access. These services ensure students and teachers have the materials they need for education. The school library is a vital part of academic success and lifelong learning.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.